Igbo ndị mara ege m ntị ekenekwa m biko ebe ọ bido na vidiyo masị m udo dịla onye ọbụla na unu na-anụ nke na-akpọtụ unu na private jet a na-agotebeghị egote private jet a na-afụbeghị anya ka David Yawe onye mkpụrụ mmiri abịagobịa na-aba mba na ọ bụrụ na ọka isi eme ihe ka na-eme ka ezigbo ihe na Nnamdi Kanu kwesịrị inwe mụ private jet dam Evangelist Ebuka Obi na even nyanwa bụ David Yawe onye mkpụrụ mmiri kwesịrị inwe private jet na ọfọrọ ihe Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-alụ na Ndi Igbo anyị oyeji wee na-enwe private jet nna asịkwana m ka njọ bikonu kelee ishi ndị mmadụ ya ebido mind by their own business kedu mgbe ndị mmadụ ewepụ ọnụ n'ihe na-gbasara ha ndị Igbo anyị private jet one ka ndị Yoruba na-eme ụka nwe mana nke onye Igbo anyị sọsọ na-emere announce n'ọdịka bụkwa na ya anụghị ya n'ọnụ legit ihe dị ya n'akwa n'ọdịka a na-erumu ya ndị mmadụ n'owe wee jikọrọ onwe ha ka ha chọọ ka ha tagbuo bikonu ke na ihe nwanne anyị nwoke Evangelist Ebuka Obi mere unu David Yawe onye mkpụrụ mmiri nụọ na ọgụ nke gị n'ụlọ onwe gị every time ịnụ ha n'ihe maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi ihocharụ ntutu taa n'ijikwa wee nụ ọgụ nke gị na-akwa nọrọ ọgụ oke ite onwe ihe gbasara anyị na-akụ gị na-akwa nọrọ ivu na akwa nwanne ị na-emepe na aka akwa ka na-agwa oke ite ruo ma echi ruo ma nwanne next year na-abịa ọzọ so amaghị m ihe ị na-asị na ị na-achọ iteki glory na-asị ijikwa mee nke ọzọ onye ọbụla ị na-eme ezigbo ihe ndị ọbụla ikpere ekpere ọ dịla ha na mma ha gote gị private jet you cannot expect somebody not to eat the reward of his hardship of his hard labor ma ọ bụrụ ndị sụrụ oyibo biko ọdọkata ya mere ọgụ na eje na ya na agọta ndị na like Evangelist Ebuka Obi as long as and involve ihe ọma ọbụla na-emere nwoke ahụ keep saying it because na onye private jet na ebugala ya na ọ bụrụ ya ji ihe n'ọnwa ọtụrụ ya and no merit ya biko ebe ọbụla na vidiyo m ka barụ na subscribe kwan na agba notification ka iwe nweke na-enweta notification mgbe ọzọ ntiri vidiyo ka ọ dị
ka anyị ga-ego n'ife agbaranze kwuru na vidiyo maka legit profit
na nwanne anyị nwoke Ebuka Obi na-akwado igwe ụgbọelu mmadụ gwara m ya bụ efe nsọ na efe dị mmakọ maka efe chee ka nkọwa alụ gị ndị isi ụka mụ na vada ekwekọrịta maka mma na akụkọ fa na akụ abụrụ ya bụ akụkọ nchọrọ ịnụ mana ị na-anya abịa n'obodo ahụ na mụ na gị n'ime ya enwejuru ndị isi ụka na-abụrụ ndị be anyị nwere ụgbọelu ya na-ata enwebere onye isi ụka mma bụ onye Igbo nwere ụgbọelu Ebuka Obi bụrụ onye izizi ga-abụ onye isi ụka ga-abụ onye Igbo nwere ụgbọelu oge obi ga-adị mụ ebe agbaranze amarọ maka ndị ọzọ ịhụ maka ifo Ebuka Obi bụ onye Igbo bido na-eko wee na-emenwu ife ebe ọ tọrọ fecha
oke agbaranze ozugozie mechie ọnụ ka anyị nụ n'ife chukwogozie ụnụ a ga-asị na wetin be Ebuka Obi problem na ndị David Yawe maka ndị asị na envy or jealous make una gather share the telecast. I have a good news. My name is Prophet David Yawe, the spiritual warlord. Kamu akpọgode egwu asị na arụgba afọ bụrụ gịnị obodo omenala anafụ na ikwu eziokwu abụrụzi ndụ n'ala Igbo ọ dịzị ka eziokwu abụ ọnwụ abụ gịnị abụ ọnwụ ndị na-atụzi asị bụ ndị na ụwa na-efefu but that's not why we're here. It's like evil is paying more than the good. Because if evil is not paying more than the good, I can't see why Ebuka Obi is talking about private jet, why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is inside prison. So you can see if na ihe ọjọọ na-akwụzi ụgwọ karịa eziokwu. Ọ bụrụ na ka ego private jet aka nwoke si menwe ife. The whole Nigeria, the whole world, money David Yawe, know they cannot battle and fought to restore peace in Igbo Land, to fight Okit and fight evil churches and the Omenala today. But today, Ndi Igbo have that truth. Prefer to believe in lie. Maybe because of one bag of lies or a gag. But to let me tell you, as now about Omenala. How many of you will be happy that now everybody will buy private jet? I know you're happy. I love it. But the reason why I can never celebrate him for anything is this. Number one is lying to Ndi Igbo. On a true Ndi Igbo. I saw not true Ndi Igbo, number one, number two, number three, number four. Reason why we follow Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is not because he's giving us money. Because hearing Okwu is truth. Bamo Ofu Mazin Nnamdi Kanu gwara Ndi Igbo emebe na ngwụcha. Bamo Ofu Okwu Daviya wee gwara Ndi Igbo emebe na ngwụcha. And Bamo Ofu Okwu Ebuka Obi kwuru na mmezu. Everything Ebuka Obi says is lie. Number one, Mary that you told you is mother of Satan, a mother of God. Mary is satanic. That is number one. So it does not. That is number one. We can prove it to you 1,000,000 times. So if you buy a private jet now, it didn't start on time. I was supposed to buy this private jet 2018 because I was offered billions from Satan, from occultic kingdom, from Mary. In 2018, in 2020, I was offered billions, but I rejected it. So, but if I can take it, okay. Now that's why I'm making this program like this. It's like saying the truth is no longer pain. It's no longer pain. Because if it's truly, truth is pain in an Igbo. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu will have like 10 private jets now. If truly, now Ezioku Bondo na Igbo, David Yahweh that restore back Christianity and fight the evil, I'll have like maybe like 10 private jets, but I don't have any. Like that someone that is lying to you, deceiving you, is buying private jet or crap for him. Number one reason is this. Ebuka Obi should tell us who is Mary. Ya kọwara anyị onye bụ Mary ka anyị ghọta. A gwara nụ na ọ bụ n'ime research, research ọ bụ na Mary, prove na Mary abụrụ arụsị 50 million. Igosi nwa ome ebe asị si gụọ rosary n'ime Bible 50 million. Igosi nwa ome ebe asị na Sunday worship 50 million. All those things is what Ebuka Obi practice and Bible is against it. So how can you call this one as a man of God? See, I'm making it clear. You know, this thing started from him. Why do you think Ebuka Obi and his blackmail bloggers and gangsters hack my page? Because of them. Can Ndi Igbo happen material? But we're here. Remember the Bible says, what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose what? And lose his soul. All the greatest are not good. All the greatest are not good. I see the man, Prophet David Yahweh, Dr. Arize Chukadiba Boya, Chukadiba Sike, Chukadiba and everything. The only thing he may have more than me is fiscal cash. But when it comes to power, I have 1.16 million angels, which no pastor, no prophet, no man on this earth, since the existence of mankind, I have such angels. Why? Because of my assignment is very, very deep. We have killed over 200 and something thousand demons. Shall I tag him? He knows. No pastor in Nigeria that will say he doesn't know me in the name of the Spirit. I am a major. A spiritual warrior. That's where I am. Whatever I tell you, do research. If you can prove to me, show me Bible verse where they say worship on Sunday, which Ebuka Obi do. Show me Bible verse I should read rosary, which Ebuka Obi do. Which is, if you come to court, that is what I will present. Because Bible say, do not lie. Thou shalt not lie. Thou shalt not lie. We know they talk about the RNG that you people know. We are talking about what you people don't even know. We know they talk about that one, obvious. With parallel and those one. This one as what. We they talk about the hidden secrets behind Church of Satan. God call it Church of Satan. In case you don't know where it is written in the Bible. Open your Bible to Book of Revelation 3, verse 9. It's called Church of Satan. Who are Church of Satan? Anyone that claims that he is a Jew, that is worshiping God, but it's not a Jew. It's what? It's Church of Satan. Switch to another listening. Read that. It's Church of Satan. Now, private jet is a wonderful thing, but I don't think it's necessary for now. Because even in Igbo now, there are a lot of people that are suffering. If I have the opportunity to buy private jet, I will not buy it. I believe I have rejected cars, I've rejected billions, I've rejected many things. Because of what? To save Ndi Igbo. That shall not lie. That shall not lie. And Bible says you shall know the truth, and truth will set you free. This man saying now, I've been saying it for a very long time. I'll bring a proof. When Mary promised me billion, I reject it. I choose a little girl to live than Mary. The girl is now, this is a 2020, it's now for 14 years. It was 10 years then. It's now 14 years. I'll bring other orphans from setup. So when we are telling you about things, spirituality, now you can still go to the deliverance and go back and come and die, you know, because there's a deal with Satan. Okay? I was in my mother's womb 9 months just to prophesy. Prophet is not about I am prophesying. Now, if you go back to my page, I'm an apostle and a prophet. If you go back to my page, you will see how far back 2018, 17, I have not had Ebuka Obi. I am in Lagos, travel to Ndi Igbo, different places to help our people. Doing miracle without anybody support. Helping our people. Mama them, all those people going to the street, going to marketplace, Enugu, Abuja, Anambra State, Oka, moving around to Ndi Igbo. But none of you will see this thing and appreciate it because what? You don't like the truth. Mazana Kale said. Tell me who have said the kind of truth Mazana Kale have said. And tell me who have reviewed the kind of thing I've reviewed in the history of ministry. No man would say what I say and live a life. On one go same pastor preach, you even preach. You want me to come and preach? Jesus is coming. Who Jesus is coming here? Which Jesus is coming? Is he Roman Catholic idol that is coming or Jesus is coming? Is it that Jesus of Umo or Buru idol is coming? Which Jesus is coming? We don't preach that. We came to preach the kingdom of Elohim. Imagine another kind of preaching about Omenala. Who told you that worshiping Aros and they'll do no kite? It's Igbo tradition. We're not against Igbo tradition. We're promoting Igbo tradition. But we can't support Okite. We can't support Ogu. We can't support Aros worship. The same way, if you claim you are Christianity, you don't keep Sabbath. You don't obey God. You don't keep 10 commandments. How do you become a prophet? Do the Roman Catholic people have a prophet? No. Do the Roman Catholic daughter have evangelists? No. Do the Roman Catholic daughter have what? Have a pastor? No. They have priests and what? Reverend father, which they don't prophesy. That is adultery. So I was so surprised when the Ofeke came out. You know, all those things are happening to him. I told him already. So no matter how, as an Ezra forget Kageni ego. The good name in book of Proverbs say the good name are better than what? Great riches and gold and those things. So 50 private jet or 1 million private jet is a notice because you don't worship God. And now you have to tag. Please share the telecast and tag them. Tag Zion of Satan. Yeah, then I said it. Prove to us that Mary is not Satan. Prove it to me. Anybody that prove it to me, come out of this. Put on the gem. Put on the gem. Anyone that can prove to me that Mary is not Satan, that Mary is not Mama Water, that why Jesus is not Zeus. I used to watch those things before. My father used to worship Mary. That is what all the Mama Water they are worshiping. The same thing, nothing different. Well, if you worship Mary, you think you worship God. Mary is the mother of Satan. So as long as you are doing Okite, you are worshiping Mary, you are worshiping Mami Water, you are worshiping God of money, God of Momo. If you like, I have 500 jets. It's not anything to me because it's written inside book. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? And somebody that is lying now, he become the celebrity prophet.